Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the card value and regional currency so funds apply to your account. Sign in to the exact Microsoft account tied to your Xbox profile. Once signed in, go straight to redeem code on the console or via your account. Microsoft.com. Enter the 25-character code carefully, using dashes if shown. Once done, confirm the displayed amount before accepting. This deposits funds to your Microsoft balance, which is distinct from subscriptions. Make sure the balance appears under payment and billing to proceed. Now you'll choose how to spend that balance. When buying a game or DLC, select Microsoft Balance as the payment method at checkout. The system prioritizes it automatically, but confirm it displays before finalizing. For Xbox Game Pass or subscriptions, apply the balance to recurring billing in your payment settings so future charges draw from it. Once done, verify the final price versus your remaining balance and complete the purchase. If funds fall short, you'll be prompted to add another payment method. Finish by checking your purchase history and Microsoft balance to confirm the transaction cleared and the correct amount was deducted. If redeeming didn't work, first re-enter the code carefully, then confirm your account's country and store region match the card. Region mismatch is the most common blocker. If problems persist, take a clear photo of the card and receipt and contact Microsoft support. Provide the code image and purchase details so they can trace and apply the funds to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.